This is more of a standard chart. You can see we have the latitude, and we do have longitude on this chart as well. Soundings are in meters. And this chart is actually produced by the Defense Mapping Agency. You can see right here at the bottom, I was going to call your attention to this later, but unsurveyed. This chart is really incomplete. You certainly cannot use this chart to navigate coral heads in shallow areas because there's just such a large portion of it that's incomplete. I'll try to show you a couple other spots here. Incomplete surveys, unsurveyed. So again, you can't really use this for navigational purposes to avoid hazards. It's good for just a general point of reference, but in addition to that, a lot of the islands aren't even represented on this chart. Chart that came with the cruising guide, I showed you Whipparee. Here's about where the moorings base would be, where the end of my pencil is. And some of the smaller islands aren't even represented on this chart. For example, Whipparee Key is not even on here. Viper Rocks and Lark Rock are represented, but the island Whipparee Key is not even represented on this chart. I've drawn it in. This chart was created in 1990, and it had 3 degrees 6 minute easterly variation with an annual change of 7 minutes west. And the difference from 2018 to 1990 is 28 years. And we multiply that by the 7 minutes west, and then that gives us 196 minutes westerly variation. And convert that to degrees, that's 3.27 degrees westerly variation. And apply that to the 3.06 at the time the chart was created, and really it's 0.81 degree variation. So the other cruising guide was about 0.87, so pretty darn close.